Hey everybody, it's Wendy Whitmore here to talk about Glam Glamp 2020. What was once going to be a in-person event with everything that's going on, it has now become virtual, right? So let me explain to you what Glam Glamp 2020 is. You're going to register with your group, no less than 3, no more than 10. You guys can all be in the same space or you guys can all be separate, right? But you will still be placed in the same group. If you're going to register solo, that's not a problem. You will take a personality test so you can be matched with your perfect group. We're going to have 4 interactive coaching sessions, 1 on spirit, 1 on mind, 1 on soul, 1 on body, taught to you by the My Warrior Life team. Glam Glamp 2020 is $77. It includes your Glam Glamp 2020 tee. It also includes a $25 Visa gift card for you to order your dinner, because after we go through the 4 interactive sessions, coaching sessions, we will have dinner together. Registration for Glam Glamp 2020 ends on July 5th because I have to have time, of course, to get you your Glam Glamp 2020 box, which should arrive no later than July 16th. Glam Glamp 2020 will take place on July 18th. I am looking forward to you guys joining us. Any questions, any comments, feel free to drop it below. Of course, I'll be posting all the details. Looking forward to you joining me for Glam Glamp 2020 virtual style, y'all. Love and blessings as always. Have a great day.